This brings us to the next challenge: complicated legislations and regulations. Financial institutions have become more reliant on technology and data to deliver products and services to clients, so they are increasingly confronted with an evolving regulatory environment. State, federal, and international regulators have responded to the increase in financial services cyber threats by establishing new rules governing the financial services organizations they regulate. Therefore, the finance sector is one of the most regulated sectors worldwide, and organizations need to keep up with local and global regulations. Like the threat landscape and daily operations, cybersecurity regulations for financial organizations have grown. For example, more than 30 cybersecurity regulations have been implemented in the United States alone since the National Institute of Science and Technology's NIST cybersecurity framework in 2014. As an example of industry regulation, Payment Card Industry (PCI) Security Standards Council defines and promotes global standards for the safety of customers' data. The council is founded and governed by industry giants such as American Express, MasterCard, and Visa. PCI compliance is mandatory and beneficial in protecting customer data from data breaches. Besides industry regulations, governments require financial organizations to comply with laws and regulations such as EU GDPR and the U.S. Sarbanes-Oxley Act of 2002. Also, U.S.-based financial institutions must be licensed by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA. Regulations are helpful. Complying with them can be expensive and time-consuming. According to research conducted by the Banking Policy Institute's Technology Division, CISOs spend 40% of their time resolving numerous regulatory agency requirements. Moreover, the complex regulatory environment results in stricter enforcement and increased regulatory expenses and fines. For example, Capital One was fined $80 million by the U.S. government in August 2020 for failing to identify and manage cyber risk, which resulted in a massive data breach in 2019. More recently, in late December 2021, Capital One announced $190 million settlement with a class action lawsuit for a massive hack of the bank's cloud network